What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good afternoon from Lagos, Nigeria. We're gonna go over our friend BTC, sitting at 26.4k. Seeing market cap 513 B, 24-hour volume 9.42 billion. Let's hop into the chart. So this is the wave forward pullback zone in between the 23%, 23.8 and 50% fib level. So the max retracement for the 4 is 25.9k. So that's the key support to watch. If we can bounce here and put in the wave 5, then there's a strong likelihood we are going to continue to break out to the upside. However, if we break down and we lose 25.9k, then it's only a 3-wave move, and we could potentially still come down. Oh, my apologies, my mic is, I'm just going to make sure that it's on here properly so it doesn't fall over. The wave Y could still come down and break that previous low, but as mentioned before, we did get back above a key level, so if we can put in the wave 5, then we can confirm a bullish move. On the weekly time frame, we closed the week holding the 20 EMA, which is a bullish sign. We're starting the week above the 20 and the 55. 20 EMA is this yellow line. The blue line is the 55 EMA. If we can stay above them and confirm the bullish cross, then that will be a strong sign of a breakout to the upside. As I've been mentioning on the channel, each time in the bear market, when we broke below the EMAs, we got back above them, and the EMAs got really tight like this. We did see continuation to the upside, which I think is likely once again, as you can see right here in 2019 and as well in 2014, 2015. The EMAs got really tight. We got back above them. We did not fail to hold them and see continuation to the upside, which I think is likely once again in 2023. Daily time frame. Crucial that we get back above the daily EMAs. We need to break out of this falling wedge, get back above the daily EMAs, hold them, and see continuation to the upside. That is the bullish scenario. We'll have to see how everything plays out. So just quick little update. Key support 25.9k. If broken, then it is likely we will create a lower low, but if we can push up here, break that wave 3 high, put in the wave 5, then high likelihood we are going to see continuation to the upside from here. We are currently in 4 trades right now. You can receive a 30-day free trial to my signals and analysis if you sign up to either Bit or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading on Bit, up to 30,000 in bonuses on Bybit, up to 8k in bonuses on Bit. Check out my full length tutorials. Email me or sign up email. It takes 2 minutes, and you get a 30-day free trial to over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. 30-day free trial to my signals analysis. We are in 4 crypto trades right now. Crypto news, member profits, how to alt plays. My Forex signals and analysis as well. Over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. If you want direct access, it's only 10 USD per month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. And I'll see you in the next video. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. All right, much love. Take care.